Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace one of these outdated Delta shower handle knobs and go ahead and use one of the Delta genuine upgrade kits to go from this, and we're going to go to this here. So first things first, you're going to have to get the old one out. You want to make sure you turn your water supply off before you begin. If you have a valve for your shower that you can turn off without turning it off for the whole house, that's great. I don't have one in this case, so we just turned off the water for the house. Release the pressure from here, and then you're good to go. So we'll go ahead and remove this one, and we're going to follow the steps here in the guide. Looks pretty straightforward. Alright, so we're ready to go ahead and take this thing apart. First step, it says turn off water supply. We've done that already. So now we want to pry off this handle button here. And I'm just taking a little flathead, and this will just pop right off. Alright, that's off. Next, looks like we've got regular Phillips screw. So I'm going to go ahead and just hold this knob steady here while I unscrew that. Alright, that one's out. And we'll look after that, we should just be able to pull this off. There it goes. Alright, so we've got that off. Next step, loosen this adjusting ring. So we're loosening this, unscrewing cap assembly, and then we'll just go ahead and get rid of this one because it comes with a new one in our kit. Alright, next thing we want to do is remove this, it's called cam and packing. Got that pulled out. We're just going to let that drip out. We're also going to replace the seals in here, seats and springs. Comes with that in the new kit. Here they are. Let's just pop right out of there as well. So we've got the packing and the springs removed. Next step, we're going to go ahead and remove this cap. So you might have some silicone around the edge of here. I'm going to go ahead and just cut that so we'll be able to easily break it free. And then we've got two Phillips screws to remove here. And then we should be able to just pop this right off. Alright, pretty long ones. Got that out of there. Next one. Alright, we got those two out. should be able to just pop this off now. Oh. Looks like I might need something thinner, like a putty knife here, so we're going to go grab one of those and then we can get that off. Alright, so we've got a little scraper multi-tool here. I'm going to give this a shot. Let's pull this collar off. We've got a new one of these to replace it with as well. So this we can also scrape some more of that silicone out. Oh, there we go. And we've got it loose. So, next step, we can start the installation of the new one. Alright, so now we can go ahead and start installing the new parts. So we've got our little spring. I set that back in there just like it was with the little rubber piece. Alright, that one's in. And we'll get the other side. Alright, we got that one in as well. Okay, so here we've got our new plate, and that came with screws as well. Here's the new screws. So I'm going to go ahead and just line that up. Got a new little collar piece we're going to put on here as well. This will kind of help just center. So you don't need to make this super tight, just kind of hand tight. Okay. So next we've got this conversion ball. Alright, so we want to line up these 4 holes at the top. This one is, the big hole is going to be at the bottom. Got our little plastic piece which helps to align it, and then just gonna look in there carefully, and then you want to kind of just press this plastic piece in there carefully. Has a little rubber seal on it, and you want to make sure that that goes in there nicely. Okay, so we got that in. Next, we're going to go ahead and just tighten this up. Alright. And lastly, we'll go ahead and put the handle on here. Alright, last step, we can go ahead and install the handle. It just comes with a little screw. So that just slides over, and then you get the screw from underneath. Just go ahead and hand tighten that. Alright, now we can turn the water on and test it, and we're done. Alright, we've got the water back on. Go ahead and test it. You want to check everything for leaks. Looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and adjust the temperature. Make sure that's working. Yep, instantly got warmer. Let's put it back to cold. Put it all the way to cold. And cold. There you have it. Hope you found this video useful. Please go ahead and hit like and subscribe to the channel if you did. Thanks so much.